took a loss today. Everybody.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl. Y'all know what? It's scary out here. I'm out here at the what is it? The haunted house? What is it called? Percy's haunted house or something. I am so scared. Look. It hadn't got dark yet. What time is it? It is 7 o'clock. Well, not exactly 7. 5 minutes to 7. Y'all know it get dark around 7:30. But yeah, I'm out here in these woods, y'all. Yes, I am. And we're online, waiting to get in. It's a long line. But anyway, thank y'all so much for joining me, and I hope that I could take y'all on this journey. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Stacy. I do all things home decor, vlogging. Oh, speaking of vlogging, it is October. So usually they do like Vlogtober. So this is one of the vlogs. What I want to tell y'all, I don't know, because I'm so scared. I just don't know. But for those of you who don't know me, I do all things home decor, vlogging, lifestyle, room makeovers. That's what I love to do, cleaning. And today, I'm just over here. Listen, I got my fan with me. Look at her. She contemplating. She trying to see which way she gonna run in these woods. Honey, you can't run. That's just what it is. But y'all, I'm going to try to take y'all on this journey with us. I hope I can take my phone inside. I'm kind of scared to take my phone inside because, I'm sorry for the light, y'all. It's a whole list of things that you can't bring inside. I put on my contacts today because I don't want to lose my glasses or break them. So I said, let me put my contacts on so that way I'll have my glasses. But yeah. Okay, love bugs. We going inside. I'm waiting on my nephew and my son. Y'all come on here because I'm scared. Do y'all hear that? Look, can you see back there? Love bugs. It's dark out here. I don't know how I'm gonna look at the lights, love bugs. I'm scared. I got my fan with me. I'm gonna jump on their back. I don't know if y'all can see them, but I got them with me. Yeah. And this is what it's looking like out here. It's crowded. It is. Oh, I'm so scared. It's getting dark. Help!
Before God, you just want my day. Some joy west side. I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems. Everybody starving. But don't you go off today. Yeah. Life. And if it isn't, at least I gave it my best try. I'm just enjoying the moments cause ain't no next time. Trying to slide with my people on the west side. Yeah, moving different than all the rest cause I'm about doing it different. Vision and no regrets. Man, I used to be a victim, repented up on my stress. Now me, I'm just spitting and getting it on my chest. Yeah, believing one day we all ball. But once you bitch a shot, she gon' turn to a ball. Putting my team on. If I'm high, we all tall. Just know I got your back. If you down, then we all fall. That's loyalty, baby. That's right, that's right. You can control it, but that's like right at the bottom.
Nah, this was my security. He talking about what up? What's his name? Freddie? Okay, love bugs. So we're here online, and I don't know why, but this lady came up asking to see our tickets, and Lord and behold, it was VIP tickets. She said, "Come with me. These are VIP." I had no clue, and she moved us up to the front. I was good where I was. I'm not trying to rush to get in here. Y'all, this is where I end the line. This is the Undertaker. This is the haunted house. I am not going in here. We just went through the Children of the Cornfield, and I pissed my pants. I mean, I literally peed in my pants. I had to get escorted out because I was no longer interested in being a part of this. Love bugs, thank y'all so much for joining me in this video. If you like the contents of this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like, comment, and share so that I can bring you more contents. And thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.